How to restore the missing clock on Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to fix the clock not showing on your lock screen. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, the main settings menu will appear with various configuration options. Following that, scroll down through the list to find Lock Screen. Now, tap on Lock Screen to access lock screen customization settings. Moving forward, look for Clock Style or Clock Settings option. Afterwards, tap on Clock Style to view available clock designs. In addition to that, you'll see different clock faces and layouts to choose from. Once this page opens, select any clock style that you prefer. Subsequently, tap on Done or Apply to save your clock selection. Moreover, go back to the lock screen settings menu. Afterwards, look for Always on Display or AOD option. Then, tap on Always on Display to check if it's properly configured. Within this section, ensure the toggle is enabled if you want the clock always visible. Alternatively, tap on Clock to verify the clock widget is enabled on your lock screen. Once you've checked these settings, press the power button to lock your device. Then, wake your screen to see if the clock now appears on the lock screen. Afterwards, if the clock still doesn't show, go back to Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Apps to manage applications. Moreover, find and tap on Lock Screen or System UI from the app list. Afterwards, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache to refresh the lock screen. Then, restart your Android device by holding the power button. Within this section, tap on Restart to reboot your phone completely. Alternatively, once your phone restarts, the clock should now appear on your lock screen. Then, your lock screen clock has been successfully restored and is now visible. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you restore the missing clock on your Android phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.